And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, good Saturday morning. We're off to a pretty mild start here in Colorado Springs. It's 38 degrees, and considering the fact that yesterday's low in the morning was 9, we're feeling much more mild to start the day. It's 13% humidity though, so maybe run that humidifier in your home today. It's going to be dry. Maybe you'll find yourself applying chapstick and lotion a little bit more often. Now in Pueblo, we've cooled down a lot more, so we're closer to the dew point. Humidity 67%, 17 degrees outside. Cold start for some of us, especially in the lower elevations where that cold air tends to sink towards the Arkansas River Valley. So it's 17 in Pueblo, 26 La Junta. It's 32 in Canyon City and 28 in Monument this morning, negative 13 still in Alamosa. So we're going to see a warming trend continuing for the next 3 days. I've got 55 today in the Springs, 58 in Pueblo, and note that we're running about 10 degrees above average. We'll have plenty of sunshine and nice and mild weather, perfect to get outside, at least for a couple minutes today and enjoy the sunshine. We'll have 50s up and down I-25, 50s or even low 60s for the eastern plains, and mostly 40s for our mountain valleys, although the San Luis Valley will have one more day stuck in the 30s. Zooming in on the Pikes Peak region, today I've got 55 for Ellicott, 52 for Falcon and Calhoun, up to 40 in Cripple Creek today. Along the Arkansas River from 57 in Canyon City, Penrose and Pueblo West to 58 for Fowler and Boone. 53 for Beulah today. So tonight it's going to be clear and calm, and our temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly after the sun goes down. So expect another cold start to the day in the teens and 20s tomorrow. But then tomorrow afternoon is going to be very similar to today. San Luis Valley, you'll be warming finally to the 40s. The rest of us seeing very similar conditions to today in the mid 50s and the lower elevations and 40s in the mountains. So in the next 3 days, I don't expect us to see snowfall, so I think we will wrap up January with 4.3 inches of snow for the month in the Springs, 4.6 in Pueblo, and we're actually running right around average. This is the best snow month we've had yet this season, and the biggest snowfall we had was on January 1st, where that day we had 2.4 inches in the Springs and 3 inches in Pueblo. More of that wintry weather is on the way. So starting here on Tuesday morning, we're seeing this Canadian air mass being pulled south by the jet stream. It's going to impact Colorado, especially Wednesday into Thursday. We're likely to see sub-freezing temperatures for those 48 hours straight. And that's also going to come with a chance of snow across the entire state. So by Tuesday afternoon, we're seeing widespread snow showers across the state, moving into southern Colorado Tuesday evening and overnight. It's going to snow likely all day Wednesday, and that snow wraps up by Thursday morning. So today and the next 3 days is going to be lovely. We're going to see our temperatures climb pretty quickly to the 40s by 9, 50s through lunchtime. And then we peak at 60 degrees on Monday, some pre-cold front warming. And then our first front arrives Tuesday, another cold front arrives Wednesday. And for those impacts you can plan for, we're going to have tough travel Tuesday into Wednesday across the state. I expect widespread snow. Right now, things are looking like 2 to 4 inches across the entire region from the plains to the mountains, and bitter cold air. I'm looking to get a snow accumulation forecast for you guys tomorrow morning when I have a little bit more data to work with. I'd rather give you a consistent forecast for this storm rather than be in the first. So for Pueblo, looking forward to a couple of days, really nice weather. This morning it's a chilly start, but we are going to get to freezing by 9, then warm up to pleasant weather after that. You also will see that wintry blast into the middle of the week, looking at 20s for highs Wednesday and Thursday. Canyon City, upper 50s for the next 3 days. A cool day on Tuesday, and then getting bitter cold Wednesday, Thursday with snow showers. And Woodland Park, upper 40s for the next 3 days. Then that cold front arrives and we got snow expected. And across the entire region, I have an impact 2 out of 5 for now. If I start to see an upward trend in our snow totals, I might bump that up to a 3 out of 5.